Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Fiesta gear knob. This simple upgrade can refresh your car's interior in just a few minutes. You won't need any complex tools, just your hands and a new knob. Make sure your replacement knob is designed to work with your vehicle's reverse lockout mechanism for proper function. Let's get started with the easy steps to transform your driving experience. To begin, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the handbrake engaged and the gear stick is in neutral. Now, firmly grasp the existing gear knob with both hands. You will need to twist it counterclockwise. It might be quite tight at first, so don't be afraid to apply a good amount of force. Keep twisting until the knob loosens and can be fully removed from the shaft. With the old knob removed, take your new gear knob. Carefully align it with the threaded shifter shaft. Begin twisting the new knob clockwise, ensuring it threads on straight and securely. Continue turning until it is fully tightened and seated properly. It's crucial to check that your reverse lockout mechanism still operates smoothly after installation, allowing you to engage reverse gear without issue. Once your new gear knob is installed, give it a gentle tug to ensure it's securely fastened and doesn't wobble. Then, test all your gears, including reverse, to confirm they engage smoothly and without obstruction. If your new knob doesn't fully support the reverse lockout, you might need a specific adapter. This ensures safe and proper operation of your vehicle's transmission. Enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.